So it's Monday, the start of a new vlog. So this is about the Osage tribe and how a bunch of people were getting killed off, and then the FBI starts to investigate. It's really good so far and I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, I've loved The Lost City of Z, which was his other book. So I'm hoping to finish this today, even though I'm only 40 pages in. This book is really short. It's only 290 pages. So hoping to finish that today, and I'm about to make lunch, so I'll show you what I make. That's what the salad looks like. As you can tell, it's a big salad. The turkey burger is almost done, so I'll show you what it looks like plated. That's what mine looks like. I got a veggie burger with some mustard and salad. And then that's what my husband's looks like. He got the turkey burger and he has this Roar drink. It's like a healthier version of Gatorade because it doesn't have any dyes in it. It's Tuesday, yet again, a super hot day. I saw the temperature and it's going to be in the 80s today, so that's crazy. So I'm still reading Killers of the Flower Moon. I just brought the cover so you could see the cover. But I didn't get much read. My husband ended up being on the phone, and then I was like on the phone too with him, so we were talking for a while. So I'm on page 60. I meant to finish this yesterday, but I honestly did not get that much reading done. We also played Mario Party in the morning, which has become our morning ritual after breakfast. So yeah, I still need to finish this. Today is Wednesday. I made it to page 80 of the book and I didn't get to read as much as I wanted to per usual. I did play Nintendo Switch a lot. I played Mario Deluxe yesterday, so that kind of took away. But also I was meal planning for Thanksgiving and I went grocery shopping. So I got some nuts in bulk from Sprouts. I put the boring stuff away, so I don't have that much left, but I did spend a lot of money and we're only 2 people, so it was unnecessary. But I hadn't been to both Trader Joe's and Sprouts in a while, and yeah, so I got these turkey gravies for my husband, but they have dairy in it, so I got this little one by Imagine for me. It does not have dairy in it. Late July chips were on sale. These are really good. They were like $1.50, I think. Peppermint tea from Trader Joe's. Yeah, this is gonna be a mix of Trader Joe's and Sprouts. These wholesome, like they're kind of like Swedish fish, but they don't have high fructose syrup or like red dye or anything. Yeah, these were really good and they were on sale. And these are also another healthy alternative to regular candy. No dyes and no high fructose syrup. Cornbread stuffing mix. I've never had it, but we'll try it. Miso paste for a recipe. And these fried French onions for a recipe. These cookies are dairy free. The Immaculate brand is, I think all their stuff is dairy free, but the these chocolate chip cookies are so, well, they're not chocolate, double chocolate cookies are so good. And then some tofu, some butter. This is a nice alternative to regular butter. Even if you're not like vegan or you're not trying to be, this is just like a healthy alternative to regular butter. And then we have the Immaculate flaky biscuits. They're so good. I got 2 containers this time because I know I'm gonna use them up. Some breadcrumbs from Trader Joe's. These are one of my favorite veggie burgers. I just put it in the air fryer for a quick meal. A basil plant because I need basil as one of the ingredients. Some sauerkraut. Yeah, regular pasta, regular flour. I saw this one. This is new. I have the green tea version that has probiotics, but this is the lavender version. Crew! These are good. The chewies. Also healthy alternative to like, I would say like Starburst, I guess. No artificial flavors, no high fructose corn syrup. Some popcorn, tomatoes, lemons, and yeah, all the boring stuff I have in the fridge, which I guess I'll show you the fridge. We have a lot of kombuchas. We are stocked. We have some over here. This hum kombucha I had yesterday and it was pretty good. So if you're looking for like a 0 sugar drink, That's pretty good. I did get this orange juice. Oh yeah, I did get these cola kombuchas at Sprouts. So today is Thursday. I didn't get a lot read last night. We played Mario Party for a long time because we're trying to like unlock some stuff. So I just went to the grocery store to pick up some last minute things. So I'll show you that. Let me see. Notable things. I got this ginger and peach herbal tea, and it's like a calming stomach tea. It looks good. I've never tried it, but it has peppermint, ginger, and marshmallow root, which is supposed to help with your digestion. I got this to try because Ashley, she's my friend here on BookTube. She has been raving about this brand, and I've yet to try anything by this brand, Miyoko's. So I got the Roadhouse Cheddar, got my husband's favorite soda. It has no sugar. Well, is this sugarless? Yeah, I think it's basically like carbonated water, but it tastes like soda. So he doesn't like carbonated water usually, but he does love that. So it is Friday. I'm going to show you how I make my matcha drink. I made it yesterday differently and it was so good. I had this yesterday and I was like so excited to have it today that I couldn't sleep. So this is what I do. This is the matcha powder I have. My friend Destiny got this for me. So you get a teaspoon of that. I've also realized using a small mug is better. Okay, so we have that. We're gonna get hot water in here. I'm going to take my little, what is this thing called? But it has a flat top so it can get all the matcha at the bottom of the cup. And the secret to this is to use this creamer. It was so amazing. The oat milk, so delicious creamer. Definitely gives you that milky flavor, but even better. The oat just tastes way better. So a little bit of that. Let's see if it's mixed well enough. So let me show you what it looks like. It's like a matcha latte, I guess. So this is perfect for me because I don't like the taste of coffee and I need like a pick-me-up in the morning, and I usually drink herbal teas, but this is just like on another level. This tastes so good. I'm going to drink this and read my book. I do have a doctor's appointment at 9, but it's like a telehealth appointment or whatever, so you can just tune in on your computer. I do wish that doctors had made this available to patients a long time ago because some people just can't make it to the doctor's office. So it's perfect. I just woke up, I'm having my little matcha latte. I'm going to read a little and maybe watch some BookTube videos. I have about 30 minutes till my appointment and they were kind of running late last time. So it's Saturday. We were playing Mario Party most of the morning and now we're playing Crash Bandicoot. Here's the crew. He's mad because I cleaned his ears. Hi, bud. Come here. He doesn't like me right now. Gypsy, come here. You don't like me either. It's Sunday. I didn't get that much reading done yesterday because we played a lot of Mario Party. And yeah, I'm still reading this. And I forgot my in real life book club is tomorrow, so I have to start and finish this by tomorrow night at 7 p.m. So big goals today, but I have the crew here with me. Bud's behind my back. He loves being behind my back. The girl's right here. It's a miracle she's letting me hold her. She does not like letting me hold her. I don't know what's going on. I keep saying she's going through like a teenage rebel phase because it almost seemed like she didn't like me anymore, but she's here and she's letting me pet her, so enjoying that while I can. Okay, I have to turn off the camera. So it's Monday and today is my in real life book club meeting and I haven't even started the book. I'm kind of in a time crunch. I have to read The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, which I've been really looking forward to. This has been on my shelf for a really long time. So I have to start and finish it today. I have a smoothie that I made yesterday. Let's shake it up. I'm gonna have right now with some toast, avocado toast. I put balsamic glaze on there. It's really good with the balsamic glaze. So I'm going to eat this, and then I do have to go to the grocery store to get some last minute Thanksgiving ingredients, and then I think that's it. Then I'll just read. So I just got back from the grocery store to pick up a few quick things for Thanksgiving. I found this on sale. It's usually $9 and it was 50% off. It's the Simple Mills almond flour chocolate muffin cake mix. So I'm excited for that because the ingredients are really simple and I can have this. Our usual creamer, I don't remember if I've showed it, but this is what it looks like. My husband really likes this one. It was hard to find a non-dairy creamer for him, but this is his favorite one. He does not like the coconut ones. And this is a special edition one that I found at the store today. It's Snickerdoodle. So this seems like it's going to be really good. I just recently started using creamer, never used it before, but I used it in my matcha tea and it was really good. So now I'm a fan. So I got more to stock up on and I'm hoping this is good. So it's Tuesday and I actually got a lot of reading done last night because, like I said, I had to read the book club book. I didn't exactly finish it. Like, look how much I had left, but I still like got to discuss it and stuff because it wasn't that much left. But it's really good. Definitely recommend this if you're into nonfiction or if you want to try nonfiction. This reads just like fiction. I couldn't put it down. Well, I kind of had to not put it down because I had book club, but I read it really quickly. And then I'm going to be picking Killers of the Flower Moon back up, and I think I am about 100 pages into that, and I definitely want to finish this today because I feel like I'm really behind. I just had one of these because my friend got me this vegan box for my birthday last month, and this is one of the things that was in there, so I thought I would try it. It was pretty good, but yeah, I'm having my tea as always here in my Targaryen mug. I really like this mug. I just realized that the Kindle version of cookbooks are way easier to look through and to follow and to read. So I don't know what I was doing with my life. So this is one of the cookbooks that I got. I don't know if you can see this, but I Can Cook Vegan. I just bought that one. It was only $4.60. It's on sale and it's by one of my favorites. I really like her other cookbook that I have. And then Love Real Food I just recently got. It was also on sale for like $1.99, and I didn't realize it was Cookies and Kate, which I have made some recipes from her before. I didn't realize that was her cookbook, so I was looking through it and there's a lot that I want to make, really simple to follow it seems like. And then what else? Oh, I just got Isa's other cookie cookbook. She wrote I Can Cook Vegan, and yeah, I got this cookie cookbook over here by her. My library had Show Me a Sign, which I've been wanting to read, and they didn't have it and they finally purchased it because I requested it. So I really like the Love Real Food cookbook, even though I haven't made anything from there yet, because it's easy to follow and it tells you at the bottom if the recipe is egg-free, nut-free, soy-free, gluten-free, how you can veganize it, and if it's dairy-free already. So yeah, I also like that you can highlight stuff on here, so I can kind of highlight the recipes that I want to make. So I'm really excited about getting cookbooks on Kindle now because it just seems like way easier to look at and to follow and to read and to highlight. So definitely recommend doing that if you haven't yet. I have a lot of physical cookbooks and I think I'm just going to stop buying physical cookbooks because it just takes up space and you can't really like highlight and find things quickly. You have to like sift through. So it's Wednesday. I didn't sleep at all last night. I don't think I fell asleep till like 12 or 1 a.m. because I was in bed by I think like 8:30 or 9, but as I was getting off the bed, I like didn't get off normally. I like spun around. I don't know why I did that, but I hit my leg really bad and it was throbbing the whole night, so I'm just icing it. The good news is that I did finish The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. Really enjoyed it. I'm still deciding if I'm going to give it a 4 or 5 star. Still deciding, but I'm more leaning towards 4.5 rounded up. I got a little bit rid of Killers of the Flower Moon, hoping to finish that today. Today I start cooking for Thanksgiving because tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I have 3 sides I think planned for today so that I can make like the 5 other things tomorrow. I will show you the finished product of the things I make today. I don't know what to do because the vlogs just get really long when I include like the directions and like exactly what I'm doing in a recipe. So I think I'm just going to show the finished product unless you all like seeing the longer vlogs with everything I'm cooking and how I'm cooking it, or do you just like seeing the finished product? Let me know what you like and I will do that because I don't want to waste my time if you guys are skipping over that anyways, you know what I'm saying? Today on the menu that I'm making in preparation for tomorrow is the vegan lasagna, the kale Yukon mashed potatoes, and then the last thing I'm making is this butternut squash vegan like mac and cheese sauce. And I will make the pasta tomorrow for like a mac and cheese. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's going to be pretty healthy, I feel like, because I can't have dairy. So since I'm making my own Thanksgiving, I'm making everything dairy free so I can have it without my stomach hurting. So I'm really excited because I'll get to eat everything and my stomach won't hurt. So here's the vegan lasagna. We're gonna have some for dinner, but it's for Thanksgiving. Then I'm going to make the mashed potatoes. And I made that mac and cheese butternut squash sauce. Based on the times everything else takes, I should only have 2 hours left to cook tomorrow. So today is Thanksgiving and I'm finally done cooking. It is, what time is it?
It's 2:35.
I have the kale mashed potatoes that I pre-prepped yesterday, my lasagna that I pre-prepped yesterday, cornbread stuffing, corn, centerpiece, the turkey I made in the Instant Pot, the scones, the green bean casserole that I made. This one's vegan, this is vegan, this is a vegan mac and cheese, and my husband's sweet potato casserole, which I think is vegan too. And yeah, some gravies, and yeah. So I totally forgot to film the past 2 days or 3 days. I have been eating a lot of Thanksgiving leftovers. I've been having my vegan lasagna for breakfast and a snack and lunch and dinner. So yeah, I'm going to have some leftovers today for breakfast and a scone, the last one. So I'm still reading Killers of the Flower Moon. Thing is that we've been playing this game on Switch called Teetering. I don't know, it's like a Tetris puzzle game, me and my husband. So we've been going back and forth like trying to beat these levels. And also I beat Mario Deluxe on the Switch. So I think I'm going to start either Zelda, Pokemon, or Mario Rabbids. I think it's called Kingdom Battle. One of those. I don't know, I've been playing a lot of games lately, so not doing a lot of reading. I'm going to finish that. I'm going to meal plan. So I have some cookbooks that I've checked out from the library that I'm going to look through on my tablet. And yeah, sorry I haven't updated in a little bit, but this will still be part of the vlog. And yeah.